Hello everyone, welcome again to Fun with Maths. Here's an exciting problem. 3m minus n is equal to 12. What is the value of 8 to the power of m all over 2 to the power of n? So this is the solution. Let's write down the problem. 8 to the power of m is equal to 2 to the power of n. Now for this, the base 8, we can write it in terms of 2. And that is equals 2 to the power of 3. We know that 2 to the power of 3 is 2 times 2 times 2, and that is equal to 8. Whole to the power of m, all over 2 to the power of n. Now, next is equals the rule of a power. Power to a power, we can multiply. So this is 2 to the power of 3 times m, that is 3m, all over 2 to the power of n. And another rule is a to the power of x over a to the power of y, that is a to the power of x minus y. So this means that if they have the same bases, the power will be subtracted. So this is equals 2 to the power of 3m minus n. Then equals 2 to the power of 3m minus n. We have the value by the given 3m minus n is equal to 12. So this is the value 12. So we replace here, that is to the power of 12. So 2 to the power of 12 is equal to 4096. And this is our final answer, 4096. And that's all for today. For more videos, subscribe to Fun with Maths.